Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
111% with the first dose. That means 111% people in Goa have at least received one dose of COVID vaccination. Our percentage of second dose, that is both the doses taken, is 98.5%. So to say, only 1.5% people remain of getting their vaccine. So very soon we should be able to achieve this. Then we have two more programs. We have precautionary dose for those in the age group of healthcare workers, frontline workers, and people above the age of 60 with comorbidities. In this front, we are not doing that good because only 17.3% of the people, they have taken this precautionary dose. And in this also, most of them are people who are above the age of 60. Most of the people, they have taken the dose. The vaccination of in the age group of 15 to 17, children in the age group of 15 to 17, and we are 80%. We have covered 80% of the children in this age group. With the vaccination, we prevent complications, we prevent hospitalization, we prevent death.
इतल्या मजगती फाटल्या 24 वरात कोविडान 15 जाण सोपले. जीएमसीत 13 गेले, तातूंत 9 जाण वाशीन घेवंक नाशिल्ले. नव्यो केशी 955. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.